Here are the answers for day 2, problem 1. Solve by factoring. So here we have a trinomial. Trinomials factor using FOIL. The right side is equal to 0. 3m times m creates your 3m squared term. And to create positive 8, we have choices. 1 times 8 or 2 times 4. Now let's think about where to put those numbers. If we put the 4 here, and we put the 2 here, and use positive signs, then we can create the middle term as positive 10m. Look at the outer product. 3m times 2 is 6m. Look at the inner. This is 4m, and those add together to 10m. Once we have factored form, then we can solve for m within each factor. Set the first factor equal to 0, then write the word or, and put the other factor equal to 0, and solve both of them. Subtract 4 and divide by 3, and over here, subtract 2. Day 2, problem 2. Solve this using graphing, and it gives a hint of how to do this. Take the left side of the equation and think of it as its own function, y equals x squared, and graph that. Then take the right side of the equation and think of it as its own function, y equals 4, and graph that. Okay, let's start by graphing this one. This is a parabola, and it is the most basic parabola that exists. Vertex right at the origin, and our normal rate of change on the branches. Over 1, up 1, and then from the origin, we could also go over 2, up 4. Draw in a very accurate parabola. Now, let's graph this one over here, y equals 4. That is a horizontal line crossing 4 on the y-axis. Notice that the two graphs intersect each other at this dot and at this dot. What is the x value at this dot? Looking straight down on the x-axis, we see that x is equal to -2. What is the x value of this dot? Looking straight down at the x-axis, we see that x is equal to +2. So here are the solutions to the equation, and these were located with graphs instead of using algebra techniques up on here.